Welcome back to the channel. So today we are back with another set of cars, right? And I'm just trying to find a super treasure in this, right? So let's see if I get something. I told the owner of the shop to just list out those cars, right? Let's see if we get something. I got one, right? I got one this 2 Jet Z Super Treasure and one good Dodge Challenger Hellcat here, right? And we have got this 24 Honda Civic Type R and Costco Hollow Common, right? And there are some more cars in this. So if you see this one, right? Yes, just Uncle brought now. So this is a 2020 Ford Mustang Shelby. Then this one is an 2018 Honda Civic Type R. This is the same thing, right? This both cars are same. So we are buying this 4 here and one hauler. And let me show you like what other things they have here, right? There are a lot of stock here and there. So all these are majorettes, if you find out, right? These are the super premiums. These are good, right? This BMW, if you see the CSL, right? And then one thing I saw here is the pop culture one, Spider Mobile Dead Buggy. This one I didn't saw yet in the market, right? But these are going for MRP actually, right? So, and there is one helicopter series, but the main thing is the premiums here. You see this Jeep Wrangler and this 2008 Mercedes CLK Benz, right? The series. And there are some Matchbox, this Camaro SS, right? Then the Shelby Cobra, the Ford Ranger. This looks very cool, right? And this one, I want to buy this Lamborghini LM002. Right? So this one is also good, if you think. And this Wrangler Swift, right? These are some good one. This Toyota Runner, this Mustang SVO. Check this out, right? This looks too good. And we have some black Ford Lightning SVJ. This looks too good actually. I'm not sure what is the chase in this. Right? Let me see. And there is one Hawk. So there are variety of cars here. This Ford Galaxy here also looks very good, right? And then, oh my god, look at this car. This is the custom Honda Personal 70 and 600. I don't have this in my collection yet, right? And there is an Alfa Romeo. We have this, but not in this tuned vehicle, right? Let's see the other one. This is a Count Muscula. There are a variety of cars here, guys. So I'm just thinking what to buy and what to not, right? You have seen this Batmobiles and all. These are like I have seen before also in their shop, right? But I'm more interested in this premiums. Okay, so this looks too good actually. I want to buy this Mercedes and the Wrangler. I think I'll go with this and Wrangler. And what else I can buy? This looks also good. This Honda is 2000. But I'm more on this side, right? On the premium side. So maybe I'll go with there or this also. And I saw some Hot Wheels Mario Kart here, right? You see this one, right? This one is also good, but I'm not interested in this Mario Kart set. I'll just check with those people if they have any set of this car culture, right? So this is a very new thing I've seen. I think I'll buy this one. It's Ford Galaxy. I'm just attracting towards this. Right? It looks very good. So we'll keep that also aside. Okay. And we'll see other ones. I think these are some good cars we have got. So I've got this one. Ford Galaxy, Mercedes, Dodge Charger, Civic, Mustang Shelby, and this Hauler. Hauler looks good. What is the price of that? It's 1400. Okay, that's also nice. So that's it for today, guys. We are done with one treasure hunt and all of these cars. Bye bye, and see you tomorrow. Like, share, and subscribe.